What's going on?
Wait, what happened? We just got the blue screen of death.
What's going on here? I don't know. Not you. What happened? I think no. Not again. What the? Well, you got me screaming. You got blue screen. What is going on here? Oh gosh, it's getting was a constantly annoying this. Looks like he was a 5. Oh, finally. Oh gosh, not this Stozy. That's a god. How dare you not dodge us? You grounded for absolute Armageddon with the views. You punishment that turns on your Will God scare the bird? Stop the screaming. What is that teenager something for? That's it! Teenager 87! Oh my gosh.
How dare you play Diamond Man? That's it! You're grounded for absolute ultra hyper omega in 50 years! And your punishment is destroying you! Uh-oh. Take this! And stay gone.
Stop! What is that teenager? What's going on? Will you get a judo? Wait, I cannot do it. Go. Will you slow it down? Wait, not.
Oh, caramara.
What is that? Wait, turn around again. Stop it. What's going on here? That's right. Oh, that's why. Oh my god. Oh, what is happening? Why? Oh, wait, that's for me. Whoa. Oh, you sorry?